Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you that how to use this GitHub repository. To write your own solutions, like in the challenges, if you go here, like to edit it here, you should click on this fog button. So here your username will come, and you should click it, and then you can edit the challenges. And if you would like to contribute, you should also click the fork and do it in the fork version, your changes whatever you want to do. And then you should just create a pull request to be reviewed. And to another way to make the pull requests is that you can just come here and edit it, and you will get proposed changes. So if you click on that proposed changes, the forked version will automatically be created, and also the changes will be automatically created in your profile, and it will take you to the create new pull request page. Okay, thank you everyone.